dump the firmware, as you can see. And it is now completed. Now we can use the PS tool to check the firmware. Now before you do that, maybe you need to disconnect, close the other software first. Alright, once it's started, you select SPI BMC, which is then selecting the port where the FT323R is connected. So read the Bluetooth config again. You can select view. So we want to write down this crystal frequency trim, and because we don't want to override it, if you can't find this view, you can go view sort by ordinal instead of sort by name. Another key you don't want to override is Bluetooth address, and that is unique for all of the device. Okay, so save that one too. Next one is the crystal frequency, and this address 01FE. Apparently this is the same one as the RN42, but we'll just save it just in case. Now let's dump the firmware. You can do this by selecting file and then dump. Save that. Once it is finished, you should have 3 files: your dump PSR, dump XDB, and dump XPB. Okay, so now we open the dump file and then create a copy of the PS key Bluetooth address, the trim, and the frequency as well. Right, now that we have taken a backup of that, we are ready to dump the firmware. First of all, you need to find this RN42 firmware. I just do a quick Google and I'll find it. So inside that you should have RN42 PSR, the XDB, and XPB. Okay, now that we are ready, now this is the step to flash. Close this one, open up our blue flash, click on stop processing, open file, go to our folder, and now we want the RN42 firmware, so load up the XPB. Okay, now we click on the download. So this will be erasing it first. Let's take a screenshot of that. of minutes. Let's wait for it to finish. It's done. You can click on Start Processor. And then close off the blue flash. Now this is the important step. We replace the firmware. Now we need to open the PS tool. Click OK. We need to replace the one that we copy from our original HC05. Right, we could file merge, select our update PSR, click open. So let's have a look at our address to make sure that it is the same as the one that we loaded before. It's all good. We check our crystal frequency trim, and it should be the same as the one before as well. So now that means you have a working RN42 module. Let's try it out. Okay, now we can roll back our FTDI drivers back. So go to device drivers, navigate to the USB UK, click on FT232R, click on properties, drivers, rollback drivers. Now it's time for us to configure our RN42. No, I'm using Teraterm. This serial communication, I'm just using the same FTTD one. It is located COM3. Click open. Now you might not see the keyboard that I'm typing because it is not echoing back the command. So what I did is, if you look at the serial port, configure that to 115 bit data, no parity, one stop bit. Okay. Probably one local echo. Okay. So first command is triple dollar. So it returns with the command. Now SM6 with AOK. Now SM comma, I'm just configuring this as my joystick pad, so I'm calling SNES pad. Replies back with AOK. And S tilde 6, that is reset the profile to HID, and then SH0240, that is to set the descriptor as a joypad, then R1, that is reboot. So success. So now I have a working RN42. Alright, how do we test that? So I'm on my Mac, so this is my Bluetooth device. So as you can see, I got the SNES pad here that I just configure. Click on connect. Now it is connected. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now I've managed to connect my SNES pad to my Windows machine. As you can see, from the Bluetooth setting, click Add Bluetooth, and then it is paired. Click on Done. Now the Bluetooth device comes under Bluetooth. You can see the properties. And now you have the USB Bluetooth device. Thank you for watching. Bye.